Alright guys, we are back. We're back and we're ready to ride. And we have today my pops. So we're gonna go see what we can find. He called me out this morning. He was like, "Hey, I've got an idea. Let's go riding." And I was all like, "Nah, man, I got too much shit to do. I got laundry to do." And then I got off the phone with him, and like, you know, the Mac in me just was like, "Hey, why don't you stop being a fucking pussy?" And so I called him back, and now we're riding. And that's pretty much how that went. So we're gonna, he knows a couple spots up here. Where do you want to go? Just that way? Alright, let's do it. It's been raining like hell too, like literally hell. Like it hailed yesterday. So alright, feels good. Get on the bike. It's been like 3 days, something like that. Alright, yeah. Alright, we gotta slow up a little bit. I don't want to roost him, but I don't want to leave him in the dust either, because then he'll feel like he has to go fast, and then he'll crash, and then I'll feel bad, and it's just no good all the way around. Just alright, sandberm time, baby. Yeah. Getting a little wild. We got people up here all over, man. This place is just so busy these days. Ooh, it's a little chilly in the shade. Where's that dad of mine? Probably go up. I don't know where we're gonna go today. We're just gonna go somewhere. All right. Woo-hoo. Getting it. All right, we got a little climb. Ooh, we got a car on top there. Better not hit that one today. Glad I saw that. Copper just sitting up there waiting for you to pop over the top of that bad boy. Oh, we got a wheeler. Alright, let's just see if we can make a pass on this guy. I don't know, he's hauling some ass. He is hauling some ass. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get him. But we'll just have to see. Oh, we're going for the pass, Oh, damn. Made the pass. Alright. Where do we want to go? I don't know if my dad's been down this. No trespassing? How long has that been there? It's alright, they're just kidding. That one's this private road. I was just kidding too, so it's no big deal. They're just letting you know to just be nice to the hikers and stuff. So, yeah, it's such a beautiful day. Oh, looks like we got a hiker down here. I can see him. I see him! Ah! Oh, we got a dog too. Or a sheep. We got a sheep. What are those kids doing with a sheep? Looks like Dad's following us. Bad move, Dad. It's alright. See if we can go up this hill here. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit of fun. Just chilling on the 450. Climbing a couple hills. So, I got a feeling we're gonna go up on that hill. Because that's where my dad went last time. He was talking about it, so see if that's where he wants to go. I'll follow him for a minute. Go ahead. No, I guess he doesn't want me to follow him. I don't blame him. I always pass him, scare the shit out of him. Alright, we're moving. Hey, there's a trail! Is that a trail? That's not a trail. No trail. I mean, this is a trail. We could go this trail. Maybe he wants to go up this trail. Maybe he'll just go up this trail because I went up this trail. I don't know. Woo! We're making it! Oh, we're not making it! Should have got more speed. What was I thinking? Oh, we're in a hole. We're in a big ass hole. Okay, we're up. I don't think he's following us. We better turn around. Alright. Is he coming? No? Where'd he go? There he went. He's going around. He's taking the long way. We'll find him. We will find his ass. Hey. Where are we? This is kind of neat. Yeah, this is cool. Where are we? Looks like he knows where he's going. We'll follow him. Fuck yeah, Dad. You know where you're going? He doesn't know where he's going. He's staying right on the trail though. You guys see the trail, right? It's between these rocks. If you go between the rocks, you're hitting the trail. Alright. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Trail time, baby. Yeah. This is sick. This is badass. I don't even know where we are on the mountain, but Well, this is sick. Yeah? Let's just keep going. I think that rock climbs up there somewhere. Oh yeah. Let's get technical with it here. Go over some rocks. Go over some hills and stuff. Just gotta make sure you stay on the trail, you know. Oh yeah, huge rock hop. He's on it. He's on his game face today. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got a feeling we're gonna be climbing some. Oh! Little tail slapper. Look at that view. It is nice out today. What a nice day. This is getting a little steep. Looks like we're going wherever he's taking us. He doesn't know where he's going, but that's where we're going. I might have to check it out for him, make sure it's say, oh, we got something over here. Oh, there's a road down there. Looks like we're not too far off the beaten path. It's a bit steep and rocky. Alright, I know where we're at. I know where we're at, bro. We're right here. This is where we're at. Right here. Yeah. Remember this? I remember it. I remember it not going anywhere is what I remember. Oh shit! We're good, we're good! Oh! Where are we gonna pop the fuck out? Where are we? Oh shit! Where the fuck are we? We got some people down there. I don't know where we even are. See if we can backtrack our way down here. Alright. This is steep. This is steep. Dad's way up there. I don't know about this, guys. But I think there's a wall ride right there, so maybe that's where we'll go down. It's looking steep. It's looking like fucking steep. Here we go. Oh shit. We're good. Alright, looks like Dad turned around for us. We're good, Pops. We're good. We're just exploring around. No big deal. Doing a little bit of exploring. Alright. Yeah, this day is just, I mean, like it was a little chilly when you started, but once you start moving around, really, you know, feels good. Oh, we got some horses. Yeah, it's gotta be nice to the horses. What's going on, guys? Doing well. No problem. Hopefully my dad will do the same. Horses are cool. I've never ridden one, but it's because my horse has a couple tires on it, so I don't really need one. Plus you gotta feed him and stuff. So I just gotta feed my bike gas. So short on the bike, he can't barely stay on. Alright, looks like the horses have passed. He's good. We're back on track. Let's go. Let's get going. Let's get going. always good to wheelie the rocks. That way you just don't even have to touch them with your front tire, you know? Ooh, we got a puddle. Whoa. Don't tell me that back tire's flat. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Because it sure feels, a little flat. It's not flat. We're good. We're good to go. Oh yeah. She likes it. She's feeling it. It's just the 450 loving summertime. I love summer, 450 loves summer. What more can you ask for? Alright, we got a guy. I tell you what, we're gonna go a different way today. I know a way to link into these trails right here. It's just fun. It's fun to link in right here. Fun little track section back in the hills. So that's a pretty gnarly climb for my dad. But he can do it. He's good. He's got it in the bag. Maybe he doesn't. Maybe he doesn't. Alright, he ain't going up that. He better not be going up that. I can't bring him home broken, because then you get your mom all pissed off. That's never good. Then you have to just go ride more and... Oh, fuck, he's coming. He's doing it. Hell yeah. Fuck. What was I wondering about? How am I gotta go back down or something? I didn't think he was gonna try to go up that.